Let us visit the breathtaking beauty of Sky Plaza and the stunning views of nearby cities, where you can enjoy a peaceful and solemn ambiance for a relaxing day out at this location in Natividad, Pangasinan, Philippines. The park is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily and the entrance is free. If you have a vehicle, the parking fee will range from 20 to 50 pesos depending on size. They also have a fee for the toilet. At the starting point, you will see the lion's head by the entrance. There will be 222 steps from here to Rafaelo's Gateway Casa Cooper. As a first-level difficulty, it has a plain road and stairs at the side, so you will have a choice whether to choose the plain road path or the stairs. Unlike at the peak part of the mountain is only stairs, which are considered a much difficult part. The park is best for family picnics, jogging, and exercising activities, or can be an extreme adventure for those who want a muscle workout. At this point they have a mini store where you can have a small picnic with your companions. They have a toilet here and it is free of use for everyone. They also offer a 120-meter zipline ride during a peak season. This is only half of the main event, but you can already see and enjoy the nice view of the whole Pangasinan. At the side is a dangerous cliff, but the whole place is safe and secured because there are barricades and fences. At the time we went there it was a sunny day, so we enjoyed our trek. For those who get there in the rainy season you won't worry much because there are lots of waiting sheds where you can rest for a bit or sit while waiting for the rain to stop. When you reach the peak, the only barricaded areas are the stairs and around the statue, but at the side of it is a cliff, so you should be mindful that your kids should not be near these unsafe areas. The best time to be here is at sunrise or sunset to witness the golden hours. For those who want to ride via bus from Manila, you can ride through any bus station near your place that has a trip to Do, Pampanga. From Do it's a 2 to 3 hours ride to Tayug, Pangasinan, with more or less 250 pesos or $5 per person. Then from the terminal of Tayug, you can hire a motorcycle to the places you want to go. Note that the last trip from Tayug Pangasinan bus terminal is 11:45 a.m. But if you missed it, there are also Airbnb or hotels nearby. If you plan to hold a picnic at Sky Plaza, be sure to bring ready-made or cooked food because there will be no restaurant at the park. One of the tourist spots nearby that you can visit is Maranam Falls. This famous waterfall is only 2 kilometers from Sky Plaza.
Ayan. Malalaman mamaya kung sino ang matitira.
A few moments later.
Ayan na po, humahawak na sila sa railings. Paano kaya ito makakaraos?
One eternity later.
Gumapang na. Hala siya. Agoy.
Hey. Go.
Oh no.
Dapat bigla kang nawala. Hindi ka pa naman. Hindi ka pa nawala eh.
Di pa lagi yung mawawala, sumusunod ka.
Dapat yung nawawala ka sana.
Ayan ka. Paano ako mawalagin? Sumunod ka.
Take two, take two, take two.
Patakbuhin ka ulit. Tapos susunod na naman siya.